Okay, guys, so what I want you all to do today is I want you to I want you to make blueprints or technical drawings. I should say technical drawings because this isn't, no, it's not going to be on blueprint paper, but for your laser box. So you're going to create 4 technical drawings for all sides of the box. You're only going to need 1 technical drawing for the side of the box, so that's where the 4 come into play. So if you look over here, you will see this pop up. So I went to New. If you do not see ID Mrs. D's, hit Templates. It should pop up. Select this, hit Create, and the prompting will come up for you to put in your name, and I'm going to do the side of the box. So you could start with the bottom or the top. I'm going to start with the side of the box. I'm going to hit OK. Hit OK. I'm going to bring in I'm going to find the base component. I'm going to bring in my side of the box. So laser box ends, hit open. If you look and I'm going to make so our basic multi-views are top, front, top, and side. If I hit up at the top right, you're going to get an isometric. I'm going to do these at a 1 to 1. I'm going to reposition them, and the reason why I did this is I just wanted you guys to see these 2 are the exact same. So all I'm going to do here is delete it. I'm going to delete this. Yes. I'm going to kind of drag this in, make it closer, right click on it. Every isometric view is shaded, hit OK. Then I'm going to come in here and I'm going to hit annotate, and I'm going to go through and add in my dimensions. Remember, smaller dimensions are closer to the object, like this one is, and larger dimensions are further away. Okay, I'm going to come in here and dimension. Actually, hit escape. I'm going to dimension. So all 4 of these box sides are the exact same, so I'm not going to dimension all of them. I'm just going to say all 4 sides are the exact, are identical. We don't want them to assume this, but we also don't want to put a whole bunch of dimensions all over this. Then I'm going to come in here and I'm going to hit dimension, and I'm going to do the top. I want them to know where this hole is. I want to go through that dimension, so come down here. Travel here. And then this has a hole, so you're going to hit hole thread notes. You're going to hit this, and that will be your part. The only thing that's missing is the 0.112 there. And you want these to be detailed enough to where somebody like John from the Inventor Center could come in and replicate this part for you. So what I want you to do is I want you to hit Export, PDF, laser cut box ends, under Documents. Or wherever you think, save. And then do all. So I'm going to do new, create. Well, actually, I'm not going to do that because it'll take two. So it was fine for us to put all 4 sides are identical on this, but that is not going to be the case for the other 1, 2, 3 sides that you're going to do. So what I want you guys to do is I want you to do all, so I've already done one of the sides for you, do the other 3 for the rest of the period, export to PDF, and have them ready to turn in on Wednesday, tomorrow. I will be in the conference app if you need any help with anything, and I can guide you through that. So, or you can send me a message on Canvas. But I do expect these to be done by the end of today.